What's up guys, you welcome to another edition of my video. So in today's video I'll be showing you guys how you can remove or disable double opt-in in Klaviyo. So this Klaviyo, most of us know what Klaviyo is. So in today's video I'll be showing you guys how you can remove double opt-in, or let me say how you can disable double opt-in in Klaviyo. Most of us don't know what Klaviyo double opt-in is. So I'll be explaining what's double opt-in and how we can remove it. So double opt-in here is it, double opt-in. So what's double opt-in? Double opt-in is like when you want to access a website. For example, if you go to a website, maybe for example you want to go to Fiverr. So when you go to fiverr.com and you want to become either a buyer or seller on Fiverr, maybe you want to show your skills. So Fiverr, we ask you, after you joining Fiverr, dropping your email address. So Fiverr, we ask you to go back into your email and verify that this email actually belongs to you. So you need to activate your account by verifying your Gmail address. So this is actually what double opt-in is. So in any form of website, when you are asked to go back into your Gmail address in order to access the website, so after dropping your details, and you need to go back maybe either into your Gmail address to verify, or you are sent, a code is sent to you. Maybe you need to check your SMS, you need to go back on your mobile, check your SMS and drop the code. So this is what called double opt-in. Just a form of verification to know that this details actually belongs to you. So that's it. So I'll be showing you, because the reason why I'm making this video, one of my buyers just told me that he wants me to disable the double opt-in in his Klaviyo. So I haven't done this before, so this is the first time I'll be doing this. So, and this is also the first time I'll be showing my face doing a video in YouTube. So actually I don't show my face before, so this is the first time. So once you log into the Klaviyo, without much of further ado, let's dive into it. So once you log into the Klaviyo, you click on list and segment. So once you click on list and segment, you scroll down, you come to newsletter. So this is probably where I want all the list of new subscribers to go into. So it's based on what you choose that your subscribers forms to be. Like let me give you an example of what I'm saying. So maybe some people use lists, some people use newsletter. So whatever options you choose that your subscribers forms to be saved to. Now this is it. So in this one page, so actually choose here. So clicking on the options, actually choose newsletter. So list to submit. So what does this mean? That each time people submit email, maybe once you subscribe to my website, so through this form, so your emails will be submitted into newsletter in my Klaviyo. So in my Klaviyo, your email will be submitted into newsletter here. So this is where I actually choose. So this is where I want all the email lists to start. So once you click on that, you come to list and segment, you click on the newsletter, where I actually want all the lists to be stored, to be submitted. Now you click on settings, you come here and click on settings right there, settings. Oh, I need to reload. I'm having a bad network here. So here is it. So as you can see, As you can see, this form is actually double opt-in, so which Klaviyo recommends for us. So this is double opt-in. So each time you set up Klaviyo form, you need to know that the form is in Klaviyo. It normally there it will be double opt-in, so you need to change it. So you are the one that need to go into the list and change it and make it a single opt-in. So what does this single opt-in mean? That when you sign up into the form, so let me, for example, once I sign up into this form, I don't need to, maybe, I want to subscribe. So before I could subscribe to this, so I need to go again into my email address. I need to check into my email address and to accept before I can subscribe to this channel. So but once I make it a single opt-in, so once I submit to this form, then I've subscribed, automatically I've subscribed. So I don't need to go back into my Gmail before I can subscribe. But once the Klaviyo form is a double opt-in, which is recommended, so that means once the person dropped the email in the form, is not subscribed yet until the person go back into the Gmail address or whatever mail address. So until the person go back, check the email sent and subscribe there. So that's when the person subscribed. So it's like that's what double opt-in is. But once you change it to single opt-in and update the settings, now you are done. So the settings for newsletter has been updated. So once I just go into this website. Once I go to the website, so when I go to this website, browse this website and drop my email address, bam. So once I've subscribed, so that's how to remove double opt-in in Klaviyo. It's very quite simple. It's very simple. So I'd like you to do me a big favor by typing this video, like this video, drop your comment. So I want your comment, because viewers' comments means a lot to me, because through your comment I will know what next to do, like the tutorial video I will make next. So on my YouTube channel, so you just drop your comment so I can know what type of questions you have. Drop your questions. I know I'll answer that in the comment section below. I will answer that, and this will give me insight or more tips on which video to make next, so about Klaviyo or whatever. So just drop your comment down below, so it will be very useful. And I want you to tap the subscribe button to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Tap the notification button to be notified each time I drop a new video. Thank you.